Dear Gayatri, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with very good health, wealth, prosperity, peace of mind, and always be happy. God bless you.
Start.
Dear Gayatri, many happy returns of the day. Wish you long life and happiness throughout the life. We pray God that your love affection should remain always like this. God bless you.
Hello Gayu, happy birthday to you, happy 47th birthday, enjoy, குழந்தை எல்லாரையும் சாரடி எல்லாரோடையும் 2 வருஷங்கள் கழிச்சு ரம்யா யூஎஸ்ஏ போயிடுவோம், இவன் காலேஜுக்கு போயிடுவோம். அப்போ நீங்கள் 2 பேர் தான், மாமா மாமி 4 பேர் தான் அங்கே பர்த்டே என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவேன். அப்போ நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் வந்து சேர்ந்துடுவோம் பர்த்டேக்கு. 2 பேர் பொண்ணாக 2 பேர் வந்துடுவோம். என்ஜாய் யுவர் செல்ஃப், ஹாவ் அ வெரி பீஸ்ஃபுல் ஹெல்த்தி அண்ட் ரொம்ப நல்ல லைஃப் இருக்கணும். ஃபர்தராக நெக்ஸ்ட் இயருக்குள்ளே உனக்கு குரூப் ஏ ஆஃபீஸர் ப்ரொமோஷன் கிடச்சிடும். டிசம்பருக்குள்ளே குரூப் ஏ ஆஃபீஸரோட ப்ரொமோஷன் உனக்கு கிடச்சிடும். என்ஜாய் சார், ப்ராஸ்பர் வெரி வெல். சாரோட மாமா மாமியோட எல்லாரோடையும் நல்லா இருக்கணும், க்ஷேமமாக இருக்கணும். எங்களோட ஆசீர்வாதங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே காயத்ரி, 47th birthday. என்ஜாய் யுவர் செல்ஃப். பாய்.
Hi Gayatri, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy with family. Let us see நம்ம பார்க்க முடியுமா அன்றைக்கி என்னென்னு, இல்லைன்னா வர்ச்சுவலாக விஷ் பண்ணலாம். many happy returns of the day. Have a healthy, peaceful life ahead. Enjoy.
Hi Gayatri, hope you have a very wonderful birthday. We have spent wonderful times and wonderful memories at your house, like all those sleepovers where you'll make us delicious meals, the times you'd come to play with Coco and then Coco will start running behind you. It's kind of similar to how she chases her tail, but she's chasing you around because she's so excited to meet you. They're like wonderful memories. Right now Coco's actually really like excited to wish you a happy birthday. That's why she's like trying to enter into the picture over here, if you just see. But then apart from that, like we have had amazing times and hope we get to celebrate your birthday like in a very beautiful and grand manner once this entire pandemic ends. Have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy.
Wish you a very happy birthday Gayu. புரியவே எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் டைம் ஃப்ளைஸ். ஜஸ்ட் என்ன நம்ம 2 பேர் சேர்ந்து வளர்ந்தது, சேர்ந்து எல்லாம் பண்ணது. அண்ட் out of the 2 of us, you're more that is Coco. Okay, she wants to get into it. She wants to wish you. So during the entire growing up period, you had always been a very என்ன சொல்ல, you've been my soulmate. Every time you were there for me. In fact, you were there for everyone. நான் சொல்ல முடியாது ஒருத்தர்னு இல்லை, எப்போதும் பேக் சீட் எடுத்துப்பேன். பட் யூ ஹட் ஆல்வேஸ் பீன் தேர் டு ஹெல்ப் எவ்ரி ஒன் ஹூ நீட்ஸ் சம்திங் அண்ட் பீன் ஸோ ப்ரோஆக்டிவ். அவளுக்கு வந்து யாராவது சொல்லி தான் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணோன்னு இல்லை, தாட்ஃபுல் அண்ட் ப்ரோஆக்டிவ். That's the best nature and I admire your patience. தெரியல இந்த ஜன்மத்தில் என்னால் கற்றுக்க முடியுமா இல்லையான்னு, but I definitely like to learn it from you. Wish you a very happy birthday and have a wonderful day. No, happy birthday. No, Coco is here. Coco, happy birthday solo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Gayu. Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday, Gayu. Have a wonderful and enjoyable day. Coco is not. Coco is also wanted to say wishes. Anyway, have a great day. Have fun. Enjoy the day.
See, we are not allowing her to come into the frame, so she's very annoyed. Coco, happy birthday.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye. Have
Bye.
a great day, Gayu.
Take care. Bye.
Hi Gayachiti! Happy birthday! I wish you an amazing day and an amazing year ahead filled with all happiness and all that you wish for. And hope to see you soon. I love you. Meet you soon. Bye bye, Chiti. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gayatri. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Last one for luck. Hip hip, hooray!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gayatri. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, गायू डार्लिंग. जब रम्या का मैसेज आया कि गायू के लिए कुछ बोलना है तो मैंने कहा एनीथिंग फॉर गायू. यस, गायू माने कौन? गायू माने सबसे पहले जहन में जो आता है दैट इज सॉफ्ट, टिमिड, काइंड हार्टेड गर्ल. मोम की गुड़िया. I want her to get everything in her life. I love you, lots of bear hugs, Gayu. Mwah.
Gayu, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have lots of fun. I'm so happy to be part of this video which your kids Ramya and Abhi are making for you. So sweet of them. Love you, Gayu. Mwah.
हाय गायत्री, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मेरे को तेरी डॉटर ने बहुत पहले बोला था बट पता नहीं मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिल पाया. सो उसने मेरे को बोला कि मैं कुछ मेमोरीज़ भी शेयर करूँ तेरे साथ. तो मैं बस यही शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि हमारे स्कूल के बाहर सबसे क्लोज जो घर था वो गायत्री का था. तो जब हम निकलते थे तो हम बहुत बार लंच के लिए गायत्री के घर गए हैं और आंटी बड़ा अच्छा हमें साउथ इंडियन खिलाया करती थी. ये मेमोरीज़ मेरी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि खाने से कनेक्टेड है. एनीवेज, अब तो बहुत टाइम हो गया है. इट्स रियली गुड दैट वी आर स्टिल कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर एंड वी आर ऑलवेज देयर फॉर ईच अदर. लाइक वी आर हेयर फॉर द bad times and for the good times. We can connect anytime. If you have any problem in life or if I have any problem, we know that somebody is there whom we can trust. So I trust you, Gayatri, as I trusted you in school.
Hello Gayatri, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with abundant health and happiness this year. Hope this year is going to be a very great year for you and your family. When I think of you, Gayatri, you are the person who made life comfortable for me in DST. You're such a positive person. I'm always amazed at the way you are concerned about everyone around you, be it your family, your friends, your colleagues. You come out as you are a marvelous person, Gayatri. I'm really blessed to have a friend like you. Wishing you a very happy birthday again. Lots of love.
Hi Gayatri, happy birthday to you. First of all, let me appreciate Ramya and Abhinav for taking this much effort to make this day a very special day, and you deserve it. Gayatri, I still remember we met in 1990
9 in DST, and I still remember those days filled with love, care, share, everything with our old friends. You are more than a friend to me, just like a sister. As you know, my parents loved you very much till their end, and their blessings will be there with you throughout your life. And I wish this friendship also continue throughout. May God bless you with all the best, because you're so simple, humble, lot of beautiful qualities. Gayatri, keep it up. Once again, many more happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hi Gayatri, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope this birthday turns out to be the best of your life. You know, it was such a nice and pleasant surprise hearing from Ramya after so many years asking me to make this video for you. And you know, I was so happy, I was so overwhelmed that she found my number from your phone and approached me to make this video for you. And she asked me to mention any special time I had with you, any particular moment which I cherish the most with you. And I realized that all those moments that I have spent with you in DST or otherwise, they're all very special. I cherish them all. They're all memorable for me. They make one of the bestest times of my life. Visiting your house, your parents' house, meeting your brother, sister and all other family members, you know, eating those feather soft idlis that you used to make, that laughter you used to give. They've all been really an important part of my life, and I feel lucky that I've been in touch with you, that I've met you, that we've been friends and we are still friends. And I feel that it is really good that we don't have to actually personally meet to remain in touch. Just such things, such incidents bring us more closer, make our day special, and I hope that this birthday turns out as special as you want it to be and you enjoy it the most, and the times which follow are brighter and better than you've had today. Have a very nice birthday, enjoy your day, take care, love you, bye.
Happy birthday, my dear Gayu. I miss you a lot, those DST days we spent together with lots of laughter. I wish those days come back. You are a beautiful soul with golden heart, and believe me, you are an inspiration and a blessing for your family, for Ramya, Abhinav and Neil. So keep smiling always. I pray God you get all the happiness and joys in your life. May you have a healthy, wealthy and long life. Keep smiling always. I hope to meet you soon. Love you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Hi guys, happy birthday. Already you are a very nice person. I feel very lucky to have a best friend like you in my life, whom I can trust. I can share my feelings. Thanks for accepting me as I am, and I wish you a very good luck, happiness, good health. Thank you.
हेलो गायत्री, हैप्पी बर्थडे। ईश्वर तुम्हें हमेशा खुश रखे, सारी खुशियाँ तुम्हें मिले। तुम्हारी बनाई हुई इडलीज मुझे बहुत याद आती हैं, एंड आई मिस दैट सर्कल। हाँ, ईश्वर करे हम जल्दी मिलें। एंड अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Gayu, very happy birthday.
Hello Gayatri, what a pleasant surprise. I was really happy when Demiguti asked me to send a video. First of all, let me wish a very happy birthday to the most beautiful and awesome lady I know. May all your dreams come true, dear. So how's life going on? It's long since we met. So I'm in Gurgaon now. So we will meet one day. So I'm really blessed to have a friend like you, dear. Always stay blessed. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Gayatri,
wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Wish you all success in your life. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Hi Gayatri, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you with all the good health and happiness in life.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Wish you a very happy birthday. I wish you lots of love, joy, happiness, and good health. We all really enjoy having you around with us with your chirpy and happy nature. I pray to God to bless you with loads of happiness, good health, and peace. And I wish you continue with this great attitude that God has blessed you with. Love you. Enjoy your day.
Hi Ma, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Um, I love you. I genuinely appreciate you. I hope you're there with me till the end. Thank you so much for everything you've ever done for me, taking all my nonsense, whatnot. I love you, man. Happy birthday.
थोड़ी सी मोम है, थोड़ी सी इमोशनल, मम्मी जो हंस दे तो टल जाए हर मुश्किल, जैसे उनके सीने में टिक टिक मेरी धड़कन है, मुझे उनके सीने से लग के मिल जाती जन्नत है। मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है। Hi Ma, wish you very 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 happy 47th birthday. Have a great day, have lots of fun, and I just want to say that for the last 20 years, from being a mother, you became my literally everything, right from my best friend, my confidant, to मेरी chef, best खाना, chauffeur, ट्यूशन से लेके आना, लंच मेकर, सब मम्मी, please let's have fun for the longest time, and happy birthday.